Hi everyone, here we are with 1 minute concept on frequencies of metal carbonyls. If metal is coordinated with pi acceptor ligands along with CO, then electron density around metal decreases, which leads to decreasing in metal carbon bond strength and increases carbon oxygen bond strength, and which leads to increasing CO stretching frequencies and decreasing M.Sc, that is metal carbon stretching frequencies. Whenever the sigma donor ligands or pi donor ligands are coordinated to the metal along with CO ligands, then electron density around metal increases, and which leads to increasing metal carbon bond strength due to formation of a new bond or new pi bond, and which leads to decreasing carbon oxygen bond strength, and which leads to decreasing in CO stretching frequency and increasing in metal carbon stretching frequency. Okay, right. Thank you very much.